Hi, today I'm going to show you how to crochet this purse, double purse. We got two side, okay. See, two side here, so we can do this. I'll show you how to do. It's easy. I put zip. I just stitch, and here I start 2 times. Okay, first five, I think about 5 rows, then I did another one, then I join it together. Then once we are here, I'll separate two side. Okay, you see step by step I've shown in the video. Okay, let's do it. Okay, we are going to start with 33 foundation chain. Okay, once you complete with the foundation chain, we are going to do 3 single crochet on the second chain and the last chain. Okay, and the others we are going to make 1 single crochet. In the last chain we are going to make 3 single crochet. Then we are going to turn around. We are going to make 1 single crochet in the other side of the foundation chain. Okay, we are going to slip stitch. Now we are going to make 2 single crochet in 3 stitches. Three stitches which is in the corner. Then we are going to make 1 single crochet till the corner. Then when we are going to make here in the corner 2 single crochet in 3 stitches. Then 1 single crochet the other side. Okay, we complete 3 and 4. Okay, we got 4 rows here, 3 and 4 with single crochet all around. Okay, we join already. Now I made 2 part already, so we are going to make double purse, isn't it? So I'm going to another part with the same amount of chain. So now I'm going to attach this together. Okay, we are going to attach this together. This, okay, join everything. Okay, I single crochet till here. Now we are going to go this side. Okay, we already reached here. Now we are going to make the other side. Okay, okay, we came to the end. I'm going to slip stitch here. Then I'm going to do marking over here. Okay, now I'm going to make single crochet the inside part. Okay, so we are going to continue doing this. I'm going to do a few rows. Later I'm going to change some colors. If not, it will be very plain colors. Okay, I've done few rows here. So now I'm going to make a stripe. So I'm going to change color for 3 rows. Okay, after that I will be continue back with this color again till the height we required. Okay, I've done few rows. You see the stripe here. Okay, looks nice, isn't it? So now I'm going to do single crochet, in the back loop of this one. Okay, back loop of this one. Then I'm going back loop this way for 3-4 rows like that. After that we just put it zip. Then we in this front loop, we are going to make front loop and this round like this, so we will have double. See, in the back loop we are going to come back loop like this, and this front loop like this, so we have 2 round now. We will be making separate this one, this side and this side. We are going to make 2. Okay, we done the back loop here. Then we are going around here. Okay, you can do around 4 to 5 rows, because this is single crochet, isn't it? You want that higher, you can put it 4 to 5 rows. If you do half double crochet, then you can do 3 rows, enough, should be enough already. I didn't use any half double crochet or double crochet here. I only use single crochet because I don't want to put lining inside. So now we are going inside here. We'll do it in both loop. Okay, see, we're going around like this, huh? Okay, I'm going to do another 2 more rows, but before that I'm going to make chain. Okay, 20 chain. Then I'm going to make single crochet in the next. This one I want to make it in 2 sides also. I'm going to make the chain. This one to hold like that. Okay, I've done one side, you see. Okay, now we are going to, from this loop, consider this is back loop already now. From here you're going to come around like this and make a like this ring like that to hold like that. I'm going to do both sides. Okay, after complete we'll put the zip. I'll just stitch with my needle only. Okay. Okay, we already completed the purse. Okay, I already put the zip. You can strip there, 2 side. Okay, I use single crochet for all the rows, just single crochet. Now we have 2 separate double. See, we have double here, one here and one there. So I think you all can do it also. It's so easy. This is for beginner. How to do purse? We can use our own purse here. Okay, I put 2 side also to hold like this. I always wanted to hold like this, so it's easy for me. I don't have the color zip, so I just use white color zip, white zip. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you.